Here we come to the elevator at River Tree Plaza in Fort Worth, Texas. This is a brass Dover impulse elevator. And it's from the 80s too, nice. Chill. Number has already changed that quick. Takes forever to level. Here's your phone. I have a feeling someone might have called it upstairs. Oh, never mind. Anyways, I absolutely love the motor on this elevator. This sounded exactly like an older traditional Dover elevator. Look up in the ceiling, high. Yeah, that motor sounded just exactly like on a classic Dover traditional. But it's got impulse fixtures, see? It's got the 80s contact. All right, I'm gonna go for one ride. Watch the number. The number changes quickly right when the elevator begins to move. I love that motor. See, look at this. This one's clicky. This one is the mushy call button. My gosh, that took forever. There it goes, and that's it.